Alright, so this one started as a joke, but on the forums we were talking about how someone's deck lid looked like camping gear. Did like all blue and then like spatter coated this. And I asked if we could cook on it because it looked like camping stuff. And so then he's like, nope, I gotta repaint it. And I'm like, well, actually, these things get really hot. Like, that's actually hot, and I just got out of the store. So I'm gonna put a hot pocket on it and drive the Metro Cruise and see if it can at least get up to edible temperature by the time I get all the way from one side of 28th Street to the other. I'm putting this one in the engine bay because I spent $230 on 2 hot pockets. I'm at least going to eat one of them. Alright, so here's the game plan. We got one on the grill, and I got one on the manifold there. So I think I should have the clearance. I think it's good. It'll be like a panini press. So, let's just send it. Before we get this experiment underway, just like to point out, I have 90,000 miles on the dash. You know, I did pass serve safe once upon a time, so, you know, do your own due diligence when doing stupid stuff like this. Fire her up and get it going. I'm starving. And for all the Fiero guys out there, this is a 85 GT with, you know, full custom exhaust, a hood vent, super beat up, you know, it's whatever. %, certain I'm boiling fuel right now. Do I still have my belt? Yes, I do. Hot pocket, definitely done. Yeah, there's no question about it. That one's done. This has been on the grill for like a solid hour. Let's see how hot the grate is. I'm not sure how accurate that is considering the tip is just barely on metal, but it's definitely climbing. I mean, that straight up burned me, so let's check on the hot pocket. Not edible. We only made it to 118, kids. To be fair though, those were frozen 1 hour ago. Yeah, let's see if I can get to a gas station and get some more fuel in it, maybe shake it down on the highway. I don't know if I can do much from here now. I'm trying to give it a fighting chance and shut off all unnecessary power. Sorry, Fiero. I'm sorry you're having a hard time. Oh, this is bad. She needs cold fuel, really bad. Come on, baby, get off the street. Please fix the problem. I'm not gonna make it. Okay, so that did it. It was just hot. So, power tour, I'm gonna need a fuel cooler. That's a high output pump I got in there. This one is a, I think it's a 320. I can actually feel the heat kind of radiating from here. 1 or 2 hours of just baking. I wonder if I should do a cooler on the return and the send. Because power tour is down south. Traffic was just going so slow, I didn't want to boil the fuel going uphill. So I'm going to swing around and do a highway pull. Alright, I'm hoping it's not going to bog out too much. But For all those who want to know what a glass pack and a fart can sound like on a Fiero, this is going to be a full throttle pull in a bit if it's not too crowded. Hey little Z, what are you doing? Wow, this cleared out fast. Man, Metro Cruise is not what it used to be. This thing had almost 3 full hours to cook, but is this safe to eat? And according to the thermometer, not quite. So, moral of the story, the one that's on the engine block, absolutely after about an hour it is more than ready to go. On the grills, these aren't grills.